Hi everyone! Do you like cherry coke? Personally, I do a lot. However, depending where you live, it's readily available or it's not popular at all and it's kind of hard to find it. In this case, I found a recipe which lifts the cherry coke to the next level. You make it at home, but it's cherry flavored and boozy at the same time. So let's give it a try. It's really easy. We take our highball glass and we're gonna fill the glass with ice. Okay, so we have the glass, and to that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of cherry liqueur. You can use cherry herring or whatever you have on hand. 30 ml, 1 ounce. After that, we go with the same amount of 30 ml or 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. The recipe calls for Kahlua, but I have Gifar. The level or amount of sweetness is quite the same, so you can decide what to use. So 1 ounce, 30 ml. And the recipe calls for 6 ounces or 180 milliliters of Coke. The cans I have is 150 or 5 ounces or 150 milliliters. So let's hope it will be enough. Okay. Then we're gonna put a straw. Let's choose a color. Okay, I go with black. And we're gonna decorate with a cherry. Okay. So I'm not sure even if I say how this is called, but that is how we make the cherry coffee cola classic. I really hope you're gonna enjoy it. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye bye everyone.